Guys, we found a baby bird. He fell out of a tree. Look at him.
Oh, he's a good one. Alright, let's put him over by the fire pit where there's lots of cover for him.
Oh, Burb. Good Burb. Oh, tweet!
He's got a need to yell. Gotta yell.
Keep yelling. We're gonna find your mom.
That's true. Actually, yeah, she's probably around here somewhere. So I guess I'll put him down over here. It's alright, little buddy. There you go. Go on.
He doesn't want to.
Little puffy guy. Alright. See how his feathers are stubby and fluffy? That means he can't fly yet. They're not aerodynamic. Got feathers all over me.
He's looking at me. Like, hello, human.
Well, he lucked out when he found us. We're not predators.
We love him. We'll hop.
Alright, go little guy.
Go on, be free.
Find your mama.
We love you. Heart. Oh, what a good boy. Bye-bye, bud. I hope you come back one day.